This work presents a theory for increasing the efficiency of meditations with virtual reality and introduces concrete techniques aiming at speeding up the meditation progress with the usage of multisensory conflicts and perspective shifts. According to Buddhism, insight into the construction of the conscious experience leads to improved life quality. Mindfulness, consisting mainly of meta-awareness and non-conceptual seeing of perceived phenomena, is the cornerstone of the Buddhist training. Current theories behind meditation mechanisms are based on predictive coding. Predictive coding challenges the view that perception directly examines the world. Instead, the sensory data only modulate priors that are based on our previous experience. Basic types of Buddhist meditations are focused attention and insight meditation. The former leads to the avoiding of the sensory evidence and weakening of the power of priors. The latter reconstructs the layers of priors employed when the world around or within us is perceived. These meditations lead to development of mindful awareness, but the transformations to the predictive pathways are very slow, often requiring thousands of hours of practice for lasting changes. We propose virtual reality techniques to ease the deconstruction of predictive models. VR allows us to create stimuli that encourage non-conceptual seeing and increase the gain of the prediction error. Our techniques are based on multisensory conflicts and insightful changes to the perspective of the practitioner. Examples of our techniques follow. For more examples, we direct the viewers to our paper. With sound or sight stimulation, practitioners can be guided to see how perception is formed in the awareness. Disturbances between auditory and visual modalities can be utilized to weaken reliance on predictive models. This example uses a conventional association, display and sound of striking a triangle. However, multisensory conflicts for challenging perception relying on the expected coherence of the world can exploit arbitrary forms of audiovisual couplings. When using avatar embodiment as an illusion representing the user's body in VR, visual manipulations of the body can be a source of conflict. Here, the practitioners must override the missing motor commands corresponding to the movement of their avatars. Additional potential can be unlocked with the usage of haptic stimulation or with visual touch of the avatar without corresponding haptic stimulation. More high-level manipulations for fostering insight can be created with this example targeting the locus of awareness. Changing the source of visual perception to an arbitrary position can help the practitioner see with non-dual awareness. Awareness freed from the perceived duality between the subject, observer, and the objects, phenomena that are observed. Our theory poses some limitations. We will proceed with its experimental validation, aiming to decrease the time spent in the meditations. We hope this will make the benefits of meditation, such as increased life satisfaction, more accessible to people.